What's up everyone, Jason from Canyon Adventure Vans, and today I want to do a product highlight and kind of show you how to use our hitch support system. Basically, we designed this to work with our garage slide out deck to give it a little more support in case you do want to sit out here and hang out. And it's wrapped up in a nice little bag for you so you can store it easily in your bed risers, or you can store it inside the GLSS as well. Basically, this just slides right in to your, let me pull the cover off. It slides right in to your hitch, and then this comes up and just like this. So when you slide your garage slide out deck, you do not need this, by the way. This is just if you plan on standing or sitting on the garage slide out deck when it's all the way out. We suggest you pick up the optional deck hitch support. So basically this just slides right over, lift it up, and that's it. And then now, let's see if I can pop up here. And now it gives you the support that you need to be able to sit out here with a couple people and hang out. Our storyteller has the Canyon kitchen out here, so we stand here and we cook and grill with the scuttle, and we got a cooler in here, and we can do all the same thing here on the Rebel as well. But having the deck hitch support system allows you to come out here, and I'm 190 pounds. It doesn't do anything. It's pretty simple. And then when you're done with it, all you have to do is slide this back in. What I like to do so I don't drop it is I'll hold it and then go ahead and slide everything back in. Done. Slide it out, make this fold here. I'll put my strap back on it, and then I'll put it right back in the bag. So real simple, just something we felt was more of like a insurance policy when people would be wanting to come out and stand on our garage slide out deck. It's all made out of lightweight steel, so it's very sturdy, very durable. But that's it. So if you're considering sitting on this when it's out, standing on it, cooking on it, etc., I highly suggest that you use the deck hitch support system right here. If you like this content, subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. All the links for Instagram, Facebook, our website are in the description, and we look forward to doing more videos for you. See you next time.